So I would like to show how you can use ChatGPT to create a text if you're not speaking in fluent English and you would like to have something that is professional and well done in English. So I'm writing something in Norwegian now. Hi, hello. Can you can you please write a text about the architect Sverre Fehn? He's a Norwegian architect. So we're asking it to do that, and it tells me that it would lovely to write a text. And we're getting a text here. And since this is in Norwegian, I can read this now and I can make sure that this content is according to what I would like it to be. Then I can edit this, of course. Maybe I even have a text I would like to work on. So now it looks like it's rounding up here. And I have a okay little chapter. Then I'm telling it to so I'm writing now in Norwegian. Please write this text in English. And then he's translating it, and it's quite well. But this is not where we ended the process. I'm also going to use Grammarly, and we have Google Translate to help us if that's needed. So now I'm creating good text in English without using English. I'm using the tools to do it for me. And we ended up with a text here. And to be sure if this is understood properly, I'm putting it into Google Translate. Then I'll make it back into Norwegian. Then I can control if the text is according to what I want it to be. And then in Grammarly, we have the possibility to work more on the text. And it doesn't find any issues, but we can improve it. And then if we have some goals adjusted, we could make it for academia, for example. It's a report or essay and format. Yeah. And then we have set the goals and it's working a little bit. And we have different places it wants me to look into. So I'm using now this Grammarly. It's written passive tense here. It's not really a problem. Uh, Picking one of those. And then we have these two here. And I'm not going to change that. I think that is almost good. But just to be sure, I would like to take it back into Google. Let's see where we're ending up. And then we can compare the text with the other one we had, and we are getting something which should be quite suitable. And yeah, without really having much need for good English skills, it's possible to use these tools to create okay content for whatever purpose there is.